Shima, just park at the island.
Enemy cruiser sighted.
Run out.
Don't know why he's doing that.
Enemy battleship sighted. Enemy cruiser sighted.
They're pushing BC.
Get back!
Yeah. You gotta get back.
Yeah, so Squid, you can go towards C. Maybe through the middle.
Yep. And Apollo's gone.
Enemy
Yeah, that,
destroyer sighted.
if he does not reappear, that's okay with me.
Airborne! Enemy cruiser sighted. All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
But they have very few torps, so you can probably try to catch broadside.
Acknowledged.
Don't shoot Squid, just try to cross over to see if you are not spotted.
Enemy destroyer detected. Enemy cruiser detected. Enemy battleship detected. Attention, reporting the target position. Enemy cruiser detected. Airborne! Concentrate fire on the
in the leader's tab. Seven repairs on Libertad, so we can burn him again.
ship is on fire. Engine boost deactivated. Problem solved, sir.
The Bonbon can go Cap B.
Very nice hit.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship. All stations requesting fire on the designated target. All stations reporting the
Holy
position of a
shit.
strategic target.
Just put 5 sits on that Novo.
I know. I got the.
Oh, now I
Got the final
understand
piece.
how this salvo thingy works. God damn.
Engine boost activated.
Full health, still nothing.
Enemy destroyer sighted.
Out for this vampire fool.
Yeah, I don't know where he is. I don't have RPS. Oh well, let's just go get it.
It's H-Lang. Anyway, ahead of you is also Annapolis.
The enemy is about to win.
Annapolis and the gearing ahead of you. And there's the vampire. He's gone. Bye bye. Aye. Annapolis on your left. Ahead of you.
Almost in.
That is almost gone. Can you get the Libertad? There's the vampire. Get him. Torps.
Torpedoes, direct front. Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes astern.
One away.
Cruiser detected.
Easy peasy.
Enemy destroyer foundered.
The gearing in play. Apologies. Novo is strong, but if you hit it right, you know it's gone.
All will be out of broadside to it in a sec. Oh,
Enemy cruiser destroyed.
And that's 7
was a great
citadels.
battle.
Oh, I'm gonna play this one for CB every battle from now on. Now I understand how it works. I got
That's not-
7 hits, 2 kills, and 143k damage.
You have to share it with Squid.
Ah! No, we can drop one more Novo.
Engine boost deactivated.
Yeah, but you only can have one Conde, I think.
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Well, we
got
will
140.
share.
I got 147 last time full.
Next CB
Yeah.
will be tier 5. Next CB will be tier 5.
Yeah?
Tier
Is
5.
that true?
Just get
That would be hilarious. I would like it very much.
So would I.
Oh, we did
I
tier
would-
6 ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would play Julio Cesar all day long.
Which one?
Giulio Cesare. It's the
BB.
busted Italian BB, which got removed for being busted.
Yeah, it's a good one.
I like the Italian DDs though, but tier 5 not so much.
Have you played Regulo since it was buffed?
No,
Oh.
not yet.
The Dazzle perk is really good now. I've never used it, but it's really good on Regulo now.
Someone shoot him.
It's time left is short.
Time for talk, time for action.
Oh. Good game, guys.
Epic game from my side of the screen.
So actually full wins with 143,000 damage.
Yes.
Very nice.
I didn't understand the mod on the Conde, you know, why you would do it, how it works, but now I do. So let's get to it.
And you can on the Conde you can even combine that with the F key. You can combine that with reload boost.
Yeah, that's what I was doing. So I pressed the F key, then the reload boost, and let's go for it. And but what I had on one CC, I think Novo, that was full health. I had 5 sits in one salvo, which took him down to 5%.
I think it was 78%.